What do I do? My mother keeps making pig noises me and calling me a pig.
She also keeps yelling at me to hit her. Is this right? How could I get her to stop?
Well, don't worry. They have an assistant bot with a chat GPT generated set of advice for people experiencing abuse.
Sorry, so your mother is following you around the house going like, squeeze! You gonna hit me? You gonna hit me, you little piggy?
His mom is just like the Joker from The Dark Knight, where she's like, come on, hit me, come on. Come on, Dennis. Dennis.